wanna know.
Hello you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect full boho knotless. So today I'm going to be using Eayon Hair. I have 3 16-inch bundles, and y'all tell me why I only needed one bundle. That is how full and thick this hair is, and honestly one of my favorite hair brands I have worked with. And I know y'all see me work with a whole bunch of other hair brands, but if it's one that I could recommend, it's definitely this one, because like I said, one bundle for all of this. Okay, so anyways, let's get into the video. I washed and blow dried her hair, y'all, because I wash and blow dry hair now. So make sure y'all prep y'all clients' hair the right way. Okay, so I washed her hair, blow dried, all of that good stuff, and we are doing medium knotless, so they're not going to be too small or anything like that. But you know, still very full. They don't have to be too small to be full. It just depends on how much boho hair you're adding to make it look full. So we did medium boho. I obviously start off by parting her hair the way I need to part it. If you don't know how to do regular knotless or parting or any of that, then this video is not for you. I need you to go back to the basics and go watch a tutorial on how to do knotless. This is just strictly on how to add the boho pieces in and give it that full look. So as y'all can see, I have already done a few rows of her boho knotless braids, and the way I like to do it is I start off with a knotless braid, and I start off by adding in one piece of the braiding hair and then following with a boho piece of hair. I also take some product and separate the boho pieces and put it on the tips of the boho pieces that you are going to be adding into the braid, because that helps it stay secure and help all your pieces be laid out and separated. So I do add a little bit of product on the tip of that boho piece, and then I go in and I add it into the braid. And I added 4 pieces into the braid. This is obviously subjective because it depends on the length of the braid, but I just added in enough pieces so that it covered up the full braid, if that makes sense. So whenever the length stops at one boho piece, I add in another boho piece, and I added it on every other side. So when I first added in the boho piece, it was on the left side, and then the right side, and the left side, and then right side, so that it's full all around. And y'all can sit here and watch how I achieve that.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad. fall out of love with you. You. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more, I don't know why you love me.
Now when it got to the ends of the hair, some people either like to braid in the boho pieces at the bottom. I just kind of prefer not to do that. It's so time consuming, and I feel like you can still get a good look with just adding rollers at the ends of the hair. So that's what I did. I added rollers at the end of her hair, and then I dipped that in some hot water. Now I did not dip the boho hair in the hot water, which you will be okay if you dip it in the water. I don't recommend dipping it in the water even if you did want a wet look for the boho, because I feel like a lot of that heat can, you know, just damage the hair. It's human hair, so it's not going to necessarily straighten up or get messed up. But you know, if you guys do decide to dip the boho hair in water, I definitely recommend doing that in lukewarm water and adding the boho on the ends of the hair. So there's that, or just spray it with the water bottle. There's other ways to wet the hair without having to dip it in scalding hot water. But I only dipped the ends of her hair in the water because I was going for that fluffy look. I didn't want it to look too thin. So obviously if she wants to put water on it, it'll look more like the wet wavy texture, but I do like this fluffy look. So this is how it came out. And again, y'all, I used Eayon 16-inch bundles. I had 3 bundles, only used 1, and this is the water wave hair. All the information needed will be down in the link below, and I hope y'all like this video. I will see y'all in the next video. Let me know what you guys want to see, and bye y'all.